Hello and welcome you all in the channel Mr.I.C, and I hope you all are safe inside your home. A long while ago, I have posted a video on how to make a aux splitter, and in that video I have seen a comment of my viewer saying that they want a splitter of mic as well as speaker. In today's video, I will show you how you can make your own mic and speaker splitter. Let's get started with the video. So the materials for making it are there. These two are the female aux jack. You can easily get it from the market or any other electronics. I will explain you these wire connections later. This is a aux male jack. You can have it from any of the old earphones. Here is a schematic on how you can make your own aux and mic splitter. Now I will make you understand how it works. Since I am having a aux female jack like this having 3 pins, you can see the 3 pins are arranged so on the sides such that the left one is the ground and the right one is the right and the above is the left. Now in our aux male jack, as you can see over here, I have used it. There are 4 sections. These 4 sections are connected so as like this. This section is connected to this and it's a mic positive terminal. The above it is a ground which is linked over here, and above the ground there is a right channel, and above the right channel there is a left channel which is connected to the bottom. This is also called as TRRS configuration or tip, ring and sleeve configuration. The circuit diagram is as follows. The mic terminal which is over here is connected to the left and right channel both, and the ground terminal is connected to the ground. And for the left and right channel, I've connected to this left terminal to the left and right to the right, and the common the ground using this only. I have soldered the connections as you can see, and they are as per the schematic. You can always find that in the description below. And now I'm going to cover this thing using my cardboard. So I have made a cardboard box as you can see, and it's of proper dimensions according to me. And now I'm going to make one hole over here and 2 holes over here, and we'll place these this thing inside it. So it's complete now. I have placed everything inside a box and covered it, and as you can see the box is also covered with some super glue. This is to make the box stronger. As you can see, hear the sound. Now I will test it by placing it in my phone. For the speaker side, I have placed my earphone, and this earphone I have repaired in these days only. And if you want to see that, then you can always find the link in the description. And now I will play some song. So here's the song. Now you can hear this song. It's loud and clear also. And now I'm going to place the mic part over here, and will let you hear that also. So guys, to show that the mic is working, I have placed the mic wire over here. There is a mic wire from this headphones. I will record the audio now, and as you can see, whenever I speak there is some flickering lines on this signal which indicate that it is recording something, and hence a mic is also working. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Hope you like, then do subscribe to my channel Mr.I.C. Thank you guys.